2024 Merida e160. We're running EP8 motor, 1x11, Shimano Dior, derailleur, XT shifter. So we've got a RockShox Super Deluxe Ultimate on rear and a Lyric Ultimate with charge 2.1 damper. We've got some Hunt E all mountain rims, front and back, running hands down, front and back, sound nice, lovely. Running Z brakes, because I'm a big lad and a fat lad. We've got some Spank Uzi pedals in green to match it. Charge spoon saddle, Peter's grips, Garmin on top, Pontrager drop post, lever. So this bike, it's running as a mullet as it comes from factory. So this bike, it's 170 fork, 160 back end. I've been all over in it, Wales, ride on canals, basically everywhere. It's been a right machine. It does exactly what it says on tin. Yeah, it might not be fastest, powerfulest, longest range battery, but it does what it's supposed to do. Hope to see you in the next one.